Today's video is sponsored by the Totally Not Fake Space Mission. There are a lot of big things in this new update, and most of you already know about them. But there's one small thing I really liked. And I'm going to pause here for dramatic effect. Now I will use my incredible motion graphic skills to make this super complex text. Let's say you want to animate the size. Right-click the size slider, select Modifier with, go to Crocodove, and choose Random. Then go to the Modifiers tab, and I think the sliders are pretty clear. You don't need to be a NASA-level scientist like Katy Perry. You set the minimum and maximum values, and you'll get random values between the two. Once you play it back, you'll see this ugly, unusable animation. The seed slider simply changes the seed of the random values. The cool part comes when you uncheck the new values for every frame box. Now you can choose to get a new random value every set number of frames, and the modifier will create a smooth animation between them. If you increase the frame slider, you will get a slower animation, because it will have fewer random points. The default method is the linear. That's kind of boring. You can change it to easy in and out, but that's for lame people. The good one is the step. With this one you will get the animation in steps. It will make it look like a stop motion effect. Basically, it holds the random value and then jumps to the next one. This isn't some game-changing feature in DaVinci. You could already do it before with an expression and then add a stop motion node after it, but no one likes expressions. You can go like crazy and animate every value with this random modifier, and then pretend that you are a motion graphic specialist. Anyway, if you are an editor, it means you have no real life. Speaking about real life, you can buy my pack and save some time, but be careful with the side effects. Megan Fox will beg you to marry her.